Bard versus ChatGPT. Let's see who wins. At this point in time, we all know what is ChatGPT. It is a chatbot based on OpenAI API that can solve us some code or pick some birthday gifts or maybe write even some poems. But what is Bard? Bard is a conversational AI chatbot by Google based on the Lambda family of LLMs and later the Palm LLM. It was developed by Google in response to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Let's compare them side by side to see who wins. I will tell them first to write a poem on life. First is the Bard, and then we can do the same on ChatGPT. And it is generating the poem in ChatGPT slowly like this and in Bard. So ChatGPT is basically not good in writing poems, but in here I can say it has some artistic nature when it comes to write poems. Here it's to life. Bard 1, ChatGPT 0. The next prompt that I will give is to have an app in JavaScript to manage to-dos. First in Bard, then in ChatGPT, and then we will compare code side by side. Who runs faster? So if you see on the left side, the Bard has completed, but ChatGPT is still running the code. So let's see which runs and which does not. Let's run the code from Bard first. So we have HTML and JavaScript in here, but no linking. So let me link it. Now if I run the code, with this to-do app, let me write add task. It's coming in here, but it's very basic. Let's test ChatGPT 1 now. But if I do the same thing from ChatGPT, we get a bunch of other things as well, like styling, some delete options and all. In JavaScript, we have remove task, add task, this stuff. So let's try it out. Let's test it out. So we can write eat lunch, eat dinner, and we also have a delete option here that we didn't have in Bard. So ChatGPT 1, Bard 1. Let's now give ChatGPT and Bard to generate birthday ideas for a 50-year-old. So in Bard, we have these items. In ChatGPT, we have these items. They are both similar. So Bard will have 2 points. ChatGPT will have 2 points as well. But in Bard, let me increase to 2.5 because we have option to listen to our script. But in ChatGPT, we don't have that. Bard 2.5, ChatGPT 2. The winner is Bard.